congratulations about your award winning about the
Thank you very
WPP.
much.
Yeah, we also very impressed about your photography always.
Thank you.
And the first one is why you stated the photography.
Actually, photography came into my life when I was already like 30 something. My study was on information technology, and I was running more a company developing software, so I was coding myself. And photography came into my life as a gift, actually, because I was traveling in the Amazon forest, and then I just bought a camera at that point, and I started to take pictures, and I was like falling in love in a very irrational way. And after 2 years, I have decided to leave the company and to leave my former job as an information technology guy and join the photography as my work. And I was very lucky on finding quite soon the way to survive.
Yeah, I was so surprised. My study was also information technology.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay.
I was an engineer, so
Oh, nice. Yeah, yeah.
yeah. So what's a WPP means for you?
WordPress photo is reaching everyone, is reaching televisions, is reaching, exhibitions. So, and that's very important for my work because I want to promote the kind of subjects I am photographing. So the WordPress photo is a huge tool for me to spread the message as everything else. I mean,
Over 100 exhibition, the WordPress photo to take place all over the world.
so it's not like winning the WordPress photos is giving you more jobs. It's giving just more visibility to the work you are doing, and that is fantastic for me.
Especially about this year, you were like a circular economy solutions.
Yeah, circular economy is one of the projects I've done on trying to exploring, new ways to live on our planet because we have huge problems with the environment. We need to find a way for having the good life we are having without, impacting the planet so much. And circular economy is just about that. It's a way for considering waste as a resource. So when you create a product, if it can be made of recycled material, then it's entering in a loop where you are not taking from the earth resources on trying to find the most promising examples we have on the planet for this kind of business. And it was very difficult. It was a project that it took like 2 years of pre-production to find the right subjects. And then when we shot, it was amazing because we found that there's so many important solutions we can adopt in our daily life to solve these problems.
So what is the most biggest difficulty for your working?
Uh, Access. I mean, most of the time I'm shooting companies or institution or scientific institution, and to grant the access on some of those places is such a big work, you need to provide so many information, you need to provide so many letters and stuff, and you don't know exactly because there's not so many images on Google about what you are looking for. So you don't know when you are there and you open the door and you even get the access to that place. You open the door and maybe there's nothing so powerful visually talking. That means that you have to cover a lot of subjects to get what you want.
So your theme of this project is trash, but the image itself is very beautiful. Trash, but beautiful. So what was your intention for this project?
I try to imagine myself more like in a science fiction movie, try to imagine how the future will look like, no? And then I am attracted to the kind of subject where you really don't understand so much what's going on, but you feel like to be on a science fiction movie. So your curiosity is so huge that you want to read the caption and discover, that is trash. So that's the process.
What's the equipment mean to you and your photography?
A lot, really, really a lot. I love to use technology for making my job better. Honestly, I was lending to Fuji because I am a kind of medium format shooter. This one.
Yeah.
This one. This one is my favorite camera, for sure. I'm totally impressed about the quality of my picture with that camera. And it's really important for me because I'm covering stories where I want to offer to people details, you know. Since I have the GFX 100, I can shoot video while I'm doing pictures. So when I see something that deserves to be shot with video, I know I have a camera which is like killing, you know, because it's 400 megabytes per second. Right now, I'm really, you know, surfing the wave of shooting with something that I was expecting to have from the beginning.
Any message to young photographers or our ex-users or so on?
Be yourself. That's the most important thing for a photographer. I totally understand that at the beginning of your career, you need to study, you need to simulate, emulate, you know, making pictures, making errors. But then when you develop a sense of how to use cameras and technology, then you need to ask yourself, where is myself inside this picture? Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, definitely
you.
you can work at Fujifilm, even as an engineer.
I guess so. I know. Okay.
See you.
See you. Ciao.
Thank you.
Ciao.
Thank you. Bye-bye.